Hello, I'm Dr. Boyce Watkins, and today I want to share with you 3 things that you should do if you are currently facing financial difficulties. These tips are relevant for anybody, but I'm really excited to share them with young people who are just starting out, or maybe you made some financial mistakes. First off, it's important that you have to take stock of your financial situation. I call this being financially woke or financial consciousness. This means looking at your income, identifying where you may be able to make cuts or adjustments, and making a real budget. You have to budget in order for your money to grow because your income must exceed your expenses. So then you can focus on tackling the most urgent issues. For example, high interest credit card debt. You don't want to mess with that. That will get you in financial trouble. Secondly, I recommend seeking out resources and support. So that might mean talking to a financial advisor, a mentor, or somebody who can help you manage your finances. You see, there's a lot of online wealth resources. We do a lot of things in the Black Business School. We've helped over 10 million people to get their finances straight. But you have to get financial education for you to understand how money works, where money's located, how to make your money grow. Third, you don't want to be afraid to take action. You have to make a move. So whether it's negotiating with creditors, finding new ways to make money, that's a good one. Lifestyle changes to support your financial goals. It is up to you to take control of your financial life, and you can do it. So there you have it. 3 simple and powerful steps you can take if you're having financial problems or you're not where you want to be. And remember, it's never too late to start building a better future for yourself. There are no mistakes that you can't come back from, but you have to make the decision to make the move. Well, my name is Dr. Boyce Watkins. I'm the author of a new book called The 10 Commandments of Black Economic Power on Amazon. Also, I'm the founder of the Black Business School. I was a finance professor at Syracuse University for a lot of years. I'd love to help you. I have free resources at my website. Feel free to visit boycewatkins.com. Take care. Peace.